So we're going to show you how to mount one of my wall mount sculptures. This is Lots of Fish, the Kingfisher, and it mounts right on the wall. What we're going to do is put 3 quarter inch 20 thread count bolts in the back. And the easiest way to do that is to set them in and then screw them in a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take the bolt cutters and cut the heads off these bolts. 1, 2, 3. You can see close, got the three bolts in. This is what's going to hold the sculpture to the wall. So we found a spot in the studio where we're going to place this. So follow me. And this is the water level. So we want to get that even. So that's kind of looks level. Everything's touching the wall. In fact, I'm going to go down just a little bit lower. I think right here looks good. So I'm going to push in. Okay, and I'm going to make 3 marks. Now I've got to drill just one size less than 1/4 inch. So it'll make it a nice tight fit when it slides in. 1/4 inch will also work. So 1, 2, and 3. You know, the interesting thing about this is the friction from these holes and everything will keep it. It's just in the sheetrock. It's not in a stud. It's nice to get it into a stud, but it doesn't need to. So we just fit them in. 1, 2, 3. Now this should go in. If it doesn't, I will use I will drill it out to 1/4 inch. Just push it in. Push it in. Push it in. Push it in. And voila. She's nice and secure, snug, and looks like $1,000,000 there.